If you prefer to use ExcelQM instead of POM/QM for Windows, there are two ways that you can activate it. The first way is to go through your desktop. If you have installed it, you will have an icon on your desktop. As you see here, you double click Enable Macros, and ExcelQM will appear, and you can go and choose whichever module you want. A different way would be if you launch Excel. Notice that that add-in is not in your menu bar. So the way you can activate it is if you have just recently used ExcelQM, you can just go to the file. It'll be in your recent workbooks. You can double click on it, enable macros, and notice that it will appear. A different way would be to launch Excel. Again, notice it's not here, but you can go to File, Open, go to your desktop, search until you find ExcelQM, double click, enable macros, and again it will appear. Thank you.